we are currently at Cattleya Estate. Pero yung name ng cafe is Itha Bangkok. Ang ganda ng vibes dito and masarap daw yung food. Let's try. I ordered waffle for breakfast, but brunch na to. Honey. Sarap. I highly recommend this cafe. Sobrang perfect niya. But, disclaimer lang, medyo malayo to sa city. So, I think yung ride namin, it took 45 minutes. And if ever na magbo-bolt kayo, if cash yung mode of payment niyo, I highly suggest na you have like hundreds instead of thousands yung denomination. Kasi 1K yung money namin and wala, mostly sa experience namin, wala silang barya. So wala silang panukli. I think they're used to cashless payment. So it's better if you link your credit card sa Bolt. And then here also sa cafe, they are cashless. So please take that into consideration. I hope kayo pagdating nyo dito, hindi nyo na ma-experience yung experience namin na naghanap pa kami ng 7-Eleven para ma-change yung money. And for me, I think super worth it ng cafe na to. I would come back again if I had the chance. Kasi perfect yung ambience niya check. Yung food niya check. And it's rare to find a cafe na yung ambience at yung food is perfect. Yung rate pala ng food nila is medyo pricey. Or as I remember, atong waffle is 310 baht. Yung order ni Bri, which is the ham sandwich, was 320 baht. Yung drink is 120 baht. So, 120 or 140. I think 140. Just to give you an insight of how much it cost. Actually, nung una, nagulat kami. Kasi kahapon yung mga pinagkakakain namin is like around 100 plus baht lang. So ngayon, nung tinignan namin yung menu, gulat kami girl. Pero make sense naman, di ba? Kasi ang ganda nga naman ng place. So paano nila ma-maintain yung kagandahan nito, kalakihan, if hindi sila babawi sa price ng kakain nila. May aso dito na sobrang cute. Ni, murag inyong iro ni. Aww, cute!
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright.
Sawadika! Alright, so we are currently at Wat Arun. This is one of the temples located across Wat Pho. So kailangan yung sumakay ng boat from Wat Pho. The entrance fee for Wat Arun is 200 baht. I can say mas lesser yung tao dito over Grand Palace. I would recommend you guys would rent a Thai costume. So the Thai costume costs around 200 baht and then yung makeup is 300 baht. Yeah, I think that's it. We'll just roam around Wat Arun. This is actually my second time sa Wat Arun and for the experience, I must say na compared to the last time I was here, sobrang daming tao. Kasi dati, pumunta kami dito, like, 4 or 3 turista lang kami. No joke. Ganun talaga, guys. Now, parang sobrang daming nag-photoshoot, nag-costume, which is good, diba? Kasi for the tourism naman to sa Bangkok. So, yeah. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito and I'll show you around as well what our room looks like. I-flex ko lang yung costume ko kasi 200 baht dito. Naka-reload na tayo. Ito na lang yung gagamitin nyo to pay for anything na gusto nyo within, ano ba to? Food hall? Marketplace? Basta, yun na yun. Wala masyadong pila dito, in fairness. Palpak. Kakasabi ko lang na loadan to, diba? Kasi bibili tayo ng milk tea. Cash pala. Chatramyu. Is the palpak. recommend pa. Pero, nag-work siya dun sa mga in-order namin na pad thai at saka yung Japanese wagyu. Hindi ko alam, baka within this area iba na sila. So, check nyo na lang. I'm so sorry. Tapos, nahihiya pala ako, guys. Kasi, nandito ako sa mall, diba? Tapos, yung makeup ko today is pack na pack. Kasi galing kami dun sa Wat-Arun. Pack na pack ang makeup. Parang galing ng competition. So, pagpasok ko, parang tinginan yung mga tao. Kasi, saan na to sasali na competition? Wala mang competition dito. But yeah, dito lang kami sa Central World para mag-check ng Pop Mart. And then maybe later, we'll go to Big C. And then, ano pa nga yung katabi niya? Basta 3 yun sila na tabi-tabi. I think dati ng fashion mall. Pero hindi na kami pupunta doon kasi mag-close na yun ng 8 p.m. Akin pa. From for today's video, tayo ang best in makeup. May kuwan-kuwan pa na dira, oh. Yung in-order ko from Chatramyu, ano siya, parang healthier option daw siya kasi lesser yung calories and less sweet daw siya. So, let's try. Sarap! Yummy na lang. Let's eat! I'm so excited. I'm starving. Yung Chatramyu pala dito is 50 baht. So, that's times 2 yun na lang. Pero that's been 100. Grabe, no? Sa Pilipinas, sobrang mahal.
50 lang yan?
50 baht. Diba sa Pilipinas parang pa 200 na?
Sarap yung pata.
Sarap din ito.
Kakaiba yung ano.
Ay, gusto ko yung ganito na noodle. Yung maliliit. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Shocks, ba't ang sarap? Magkano yan? 95 lang. Sino ang nagwagi? Ang seller. Because 0, seller 1. Budol na naman ang seller for today's video. Can we have it longer? Do you have tax refund? Kota na, kota na. Okay, uwi na tayo. Kota na. Sobrang traffic dito. Yung sinakyan namin, nag-bolt ulit kami. Nabayaran namin is 108. And then, trinay namin check sa Grab. It was 220 plus. So, mas mura talaga yung bolt. So, right now, naglalakad lang kami papunta ng hotel namin ulit. And look, sobrang daming ganap. Ay, murang pa na rin kung nga rin ay. Medyo dahil rin ang competition. So, nandun lang yung hotel namin. Yan. Come and look, it's crazy right now. Hello, you guys! So, nakabalik na kami ng hotel and for today, since pumunta kami ng Central World, medyo napudol tayo for today's video. I-haul ko lang kung ano yung nabili ko dun sa Central World. So, if ayaw nyo yung mga haul na video, feel free to skip. So, excuse mo na yung pa-makeup ni Mayor dyan ha, kasi parang mamaya pa ang competition namin. Mga 12 AM sa foot massage. But yeah, okay, let's start first with Jolly Bunny. Nasa list ko talaga na i-visit yung Jolly Bunny because gusto kong bumili ng sandals nila. They said na super comfortable daw yung sandals ng Jolly Bunny. Pero yung sad thing is, yung available lang na size, na smallest size nila is 36. And I'm size 35. So, no luck. And sinukat ko din yung sandals nila. Ang laki talaga ng differences. Hindi madadaya. Nag-window shopping lang ako noon and I saw this bag. Ganito yung hinahanap ko na shape ng bag sa Gentlewoman kahapon. And yung gusto ko dito talaga is ganitong size kasi kasya yung camera ko. Pero akala ko talaga si Jolly Bunny is more on like sandals. And then I saw Lululemon in Central World. And sobrang laki ng store nila. It's sobrang nice ng experience talaga sa Lululemon ever since. I got two things from Lululemon. First thing that I got is this one. Ito talaga yung pinunta ko, guys. Nandun talaga siya sa wishlist ko. Promise. Ayan. Ang gusto ko dito is built-in na yung shorts niya. O, diba? Hindi pa nakaayos kasi sinukat ko to. And then, katabi nito is ito. Yung sinuot na mannequin is white. So, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung white. Kaso lang, yung white kasi parang feeling ko hindi ko siya masusuot lagi. Tapos white pa yung skirt and yung top. So, baka mag-yellow siya or something. So, etong top is like a polo na polo shirt. So, magagamit ko to sa office. Yeah. So, yan. And then, mas nice siya kasi breathable. Pang tennis talaga siya, guys. So, ready na po ako sa tennis na sport. Yung sport na lang ang kulang na lumapit sa akin. Uutinin mo na ang first. To follow na lang ang sport. Gusto ko lang kasi super breathable siya and super subtle din ang parang logo niya dyan. Yun lang yung budol ko for today. I hope tomorrow wala nang budol. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Annyeong!